Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to move your Google Photos to an SD card on your PC in 2025. With devices getting more packed with memories, freeing up space is a game changer. Whether you're dealing with a full hard drive or just want to organize your files better, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Google Photos app installed on your PC and an SD card with plenty of free space. Also, ensure your SD card is properly formatted, preferably in exFAT or FAT32 for compatibility. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your computer and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have it, download it from the official Google website. Step 2. Navigate to your photo library or specific albums. Use the selection tool to pick the photos or albums you want to move. You can hold Ctrl or Command on Mac to select multiple items quickly. Step 3. Once your photos are selected, look for the Export or Download option in the menu. Google Photos in 2025 might have updated interfaces, so keep an eye out for any new features like direct transfers. Step 4. In the Export dialog box, choose your download settings, like original quality, and then select the destination. Insert your SD card into your PC's card reader or USB slot if it isn't already. Step 5. Navigate to the SD card in the File Explorer window that pops up. Double-check the path to avoid any mix-ups, and hit Export or Download to start the transfer. Depending on the file size, this might take a few minutes. Step 6. After the transfer completes, safely eject the SD card from your PC. To be thorough, open the files on the SD card to verify everything transferred correctly. And there you go. Your Google Photos are now safely on your SD card, freeing up valuable space on your PC. This method not only helps with storage but also makes it easier to backup or share your photos. If you run into any issues, like errors during transfer, try restarting your PC or checking your SD card for errors. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.